drumming on the beat.
Hi guys! Hey, if you're new here, I'm Deb, and I'm here today with the latest Trendmood. I think it's box 26, and it is, if you're not familiar with Trendmood, I really like this box. I really like it. Okay, this is not a subscription box. This is a one-off box, and they put them through quite often, sometimes once a month, sometimes less. I assume sometimes more, but I've only seen it once a month. But anyway, this one was $62, and they tell you everything that's in it, so you know if the value's there. But this one was $62, and it has a value of $228. And I really like this box, you know, because you know ahead of time what you're getting. You know how much it is it worth it, is it not? You know, you can even compare the prices of the stuff in it, and you know, and so you know you're getting a value. So I really do like this box. This is one of my favorites. Now, usually once it comes out, it sells out very, very quickly. Sometimes they'll restock it and sometimes they won't. But what you need to do is get on their mailing list, on their email list, and then they will tell you when the next one's coming out. So you'll know exactly when it's coming out, and you'll be one of the first ones to get in on it. And when you open the box, they always have a really good presentation. See it? A little sticker says Trendmood on it. It's always well packed. As you can see, it's got bubble wrap on it. And that's the products. And I mean, I really like these boxes, because you get a lot. It's worth, you know, you get a lot of good products that, quite honestly, a lot of the other boxes you don't really see often. So, and they will do like last time, I think they did do last time I couldn't get it. It sold so fast. But it was like, I think it was e.l.f. The whole box was e.l.f., but it was only like $30. So, of course, you know, it sold quick. And they even restocked it, and it still sold. So, I couldn't get it. Okay, this is, first thing I'm pulling out is Undefined Hydrating Nourishing Gel Cream Moisturizer, R&R Gel-Crème Moisturizer. That's what it looks like. I was looking at their, they had their logo on, they had their logo on top, and I was like, what is that? And this is what that looks like. I'll see. Let's see. So this is what it looks like. That's the consistency. Now let me, I've done that with everything I've had today. It's very, very faint, very, very light scent, which is nice for, you know, people with sensitive skin, because sometimes you just don't want to waste a chance being allergic to, I'm going to put that back in there later. You don't want to, if you're going to be, the more things you add in it, the more likely you'll be allergic to it if you're sensitive, so just bear that in mind. This is Vacation brand Orange Gelée. Broad spectrum 30 SPF sunscreen. Like I've told you before, the only place I use sunscreen is on my face. And that is because that's what my doctors have told me. since I don't burn, they say you need the vitamin D way more than the sunscreen, so. Oh, I'm just shoving it in there. It's already open. I mean, I opened it, but I'm still trying to shove it. And this is the consistency, because I know that matters. Man, I'm having a hard time today getting anything to come out of the package. Maybe I didn't have it all the way. This is probably a total waste for me, because I can't get it out of the, I won't use this. If I can't get it out of the tube, I'm not going to use it. Who will? Look at this. I'm not going to use this. I can't get it out of the damn package. I can't get it out. So, I mean, honestly, who's going to grab for that if they know it's such a pain in the butt to get out? They're not. There, I finally got some out. That is how thick it is. You know, I mean, who's gonna grab for that? I'm not. I'm gonna sit that in my giveaway pile, since, you know, because I've opened it. This is what it looks like, and you know, it's kind of has an odd scent to it. I recognize it, but I don't know what it is. It's very faint. That's why I can't really define it. What is this scent? Probably, no? It's got a palm tree on there, but I'll be honest with you, I smell no coconut. It smells like orange citrus in the background, but there's something in the foreground. I can't tell what it is. So, there you have that. And I'll probably be giving that away because I can't get it out of the tube anyway. And if it was a lighter touch one, I would use it on my face, but I'm not using this oily stuff on my face, and I can't. So, there we go. And this is Gwen Stefani Give. She's been in a lot of boxes lately. She's been in a lot of them lately. Okay, so that's, I'm gonna wipe that on my chair. Try to get it off my hand. It's very oily. What is this? I don't know, maybe I can see it bigger on the thing. I looked for my old phone because I was just going to start blowing. Oh! Me, you, and yours, it says. And it's a bright one. But I don't know if it's a tint. No, it's a Gwen. It's a Gwen. It's a Gwen. So I'm just going to put it right here. It's a tint, so you know it's not as bright as you would think, but it's definitely a Gwen. I mean, you can get away with just a few drops. It's a Gwen color, for sure. Everybody was talking about that in Ipsy. They were like, we thought we'd get her signature red. Well, you have her signature red now, baby. But that's what, you know, that's her signature, and it did tell you the color, so. But I would use it as a base and then put something lighter on top of it. And I find if I do that, I don't have to use lip liners, and it does make my lips look a little larger. But lip liners just, they look ridiculous on me for some reason. I don't know why, but they do. So I'll put that over there so I know what I did, because this one's really full. Okay, now this is Maison Louis Marie, number 14. Icila, I-C-I-L-A. Okay, and it shows the top notes are I don't know what that pump Lanesse or something. I don't know what it is. Something in jasmine. Oh, mandarin leaf and jasmine. Your mid-range is Bulgarian rose, dark plum, and I have to me focus. Osmanthus? I don't know what that is. Base is patch. Oh, it's patchouli. Yuck. And then vanilla flower and Pecura blossom. I didn't think it had patchouli in it. I don't like patchouli. I think that's a stinking crap. It is smelly. To me, it smells like mold. You know, I don't like musk and I don't like patchouli. They both smell like mold to me. And this is what the bottle looks like. And this is a full-size bottle. So, right here is your money and then some. I'm trying to figure out where to spray this, where it's not here. I'll spray it on this arm. I haven't put anything over here. Hopefully that, it does smell nice. The patchouli is very, very faint. Very faint. It does smell nice. It like has a hint of floral, but then it has, you know, it's nice. It's a nice combination, and I usually can't stand anything with patchouli in it. So, yay me, right? Because I usually can't stand smell anything with patchouli in it. It just smells like mold to me. People say I'm crazy, but it smells like mold to me. I know everybody else doesn't, but it does to me. Okay, now these are, there's two of these, and they're NYX Professional Fat Oil. Here's what they look like. Look at my hand from that with Stefani. Okay. And this is a lip color. Let's stick it here because I do have other. That's Full Force. You know, and this is if you wash it out, you know, fade it out. It gives you some idea anyway. And then this is the other shade. And I'll put it Full Force and then fade it out for you too. Here's Full Force. And then you can fade it out, but it is a little darker. So there's that. And sometimes I put those on top of the bright reds and I like it. Okay, this is NYX Brow Glue, and it's clear. It's clear, but this is supposed to be pretty much where it really works. They say it's very good. And then this is, this is Kat Von D, and this is her tattoo liner. It's waterproof, smudge proof, and I'll open that up. This is Kat Von D, and this is her. And I show this all the time. People think, oh, you got to do the fine line. No, not necessarily. See, you can do the fine line, you can do the medium line, and you can do the thick line. With these longer ones, it's just how much pressure you use. So there's that. Now at the bottom, you will get, information and sometimes coupons. Just depends, but you will always get these. Okay, this is at the bottom of the box, and this is that stuff you can't get out of the thing. Now, see, it wouldn't be bad in that form. In this form, we can just scoop it out. Okay, then, of course, this is the highlight of this box, and this is Natasha Denona. Now, this is paying for your box too, because this is about 50, 60 bucks itself. And she's a really nice formula. And this is what she looks like on the inside, and it's very shiny. And then it has a mirror, you know, and you can take that off. I don't usually do that. I don't usually mess with it. Some people find it so satisfying. I find it irritating. You know, I just find it irritating taking it off. These are your colors. And I will swatch a few so you can see how well it is. You know, so you can tell that. Let me do that one again. On my finger, look. You can build that up. See how well you can build that up. Yeah. Do this one on the other side. Ooh, that one was a bold one. Let's try this charcoal one. See what it looks like. Try this one. This one's kind of an in between. And that one didn't really pick up much. And a lot of these colors, and this white makes a very good base, and also it's good for your inside of your inside corners. So that is box 26, and like I said, it's always worth the money. You know, it tells you exactly what you're going to get before you pay for it, which I do like. At least get on the mailing list. You know, if you get on the mailing list, then you can decide every time whether you want it or whether you don't. So come on back. Like, subscribe. Do all the YouTube stuff.